From 15th of June till 21st of June 2026 is the week for men's mental health. And today I would like to talk about an important issue that affects millions of men around the world, which is often overlooked. I'm talking about work stress, burnout, and men's mental health. In today's fast-paced world, many men carry enormous responsibilities. They are expected to provide for their families, succeed in their careers, support loved ones, and remain emotionally strong regardless of the challenges they face. While these expectations may seem normal for ordinary men to carry, and they can create significant pressure that gradually affects mental and physical health for men and then hence for their families too. Work-related stress has become one of the most common causes of emotional distress among men, especially long working hours, job insecurity, financial pressure, workplace conflicts, and the constant demand to perform can leave individuals feeling very stressed and overwhelmed. When this stress continues for weeks, months, and even years without adequate rest or support, it can lead to a condition known as burnout. Burnout is not simply feeling tired. It is more than just tiredness, because after a good night's sleep, a person who is not burned out is ready to work again. He feels motivated, he wants to go back to work and enjoy the next busy day. But in the state of burnout, there is emotional, mental, and physical exhaustion. There is no motivation. A person just drag on and wants to work because of the sake of earning, and it is a continuous pressure. Men experiencing burnout often feel drained, unmotivated, irritable, and detached from their work, and their relationships are affected too. Activities once they enjoyed may no longer bring satisfaction. They may struggle with concentration, it affects their cognition, memory, and it leads to sleep problems, headache, migraine, fatigue, and even other physical illnesses like blood pressure, diabetes, obesity, and so on. One of the biggest challenges is that many men do not talk about their emotional struggles. In our culture and society often teaches men to be strong, keep going, deal with their problems, and expressing difficulties and problems, they might be perceived as weak. As a result, they just suffer in silence and they find it hard to discuss their problems. Instead of seeking help, some may become withdrawn, they become angry or turn to unhealthy coping mechanisms such as excessive alcohol. They can misuse drugs, they can go to gambling and other risky behaviors, and even excessive work as a coping mechanism, which is very unhealthy. So untreated stress and burnout can contribute to stress, anxiety disorders, depression, relationship difficulties, and also reduced productivity. And in severe cases can be very dangerous, and people, especially men, suffers from suicidal thoughts and thoughts of self-harm. This is why men's mental health deserves attention, and I believe it requires open discussion.